Hey guys, I'm John from the Legacy Woodworking team. Today I wanted to show you a conversation that I had recently with Tracy about this phenomenal financing deal that we got set up.
Hey, I'm Tracy with Legacy Woodworking Machinery, and today I'm here with John Henn. He's our salesman. And John's been with us for a long time, decades, right?
Decades,
worked with
yeah.
a lot of customers,
Yep.
worked with a lot of methods of financing and purchasing, right?
Yes, I have.
So understand that today you have a big announcement, and what is that?
We do. We've been able to negotiate with my financing partners a 6-month, no payment financing deal.
6 months.
Yeah.
Okay, so that means you buy the machine, get the delivery, you get it set up, you don't make a payment for 6 months.
Exactly. Not until July, which is a long ways out. It gives you some time to get that machine up to working and ready to go.
How long is this offer good for?
This offer is good until the end of January. So it is a very short window for everybody because we were able to get that rate lower and extend that time of no payments.
Oh, that's awesome. Okay, that makes a huge difference. Well, there's a lot of other benefits besides the 6 months, right?
Yeah.
What are some of the benefits that you found as you worked with all these customers and all the leasing companies?
One of the big ones I found was cash flow. And cash flow is really what happens is instead of taking that big outlay all at once, you're doing just a simple monthly payment. And of course, that doesn't start till 6 months down the road. And so it just allows you to be able to purchase more but keep all that money liquid.
All right, so the cash flow is important because obviously it preserves your cash for other things.
Yeah.
But at the same time you're making these payments, isn't that affecting your credit?
It does. And business credit is one of the hardest things to grow. And so by getting into a financing deal in a payment that is going to be perfect for you, you can actually build that business credit, allowing your future business to grow bigger and bigger and bigger.
Awesome. So when you say perfect for you, you must be talking about the terms and the length. Is that all flexible?
It is. It's very flexible. You can do financing deals anywhere between 2 and 7 years. And right now, again, we've negotiated a rate that's a little bit lower than prime for all of our clients through the end of January.
Below prime. Okay, so that's pretty amazing.
Yeah. So Tracy, Legacy Woodworking Machinery has used financing in the past. How has that helped us grow?
Oh yeah, that's a great question because we actually started from zero, ground zero. No money, no business, nothing.
Wow.
And we've slowly built the company up. Now we've been doing this for over 30 years, so
Wow.
it's grown into quite a beast right now. But growing pains was obviously was a tough thing.
Mm-hmm.
So we had a payment, or we had a machine that we wanted to buy. It was a laser.
Yeah.
It was $360,000. $360,000.
That's a lot of money.
When you don't have much of a business just starting off, that is incredible. So we decided to go with a lease for all of those purposes. We didn't have the cash.
Yep.
We didn't even have the credit rating, the
Okay.
business credit rating. So we used that to build us up. But what we found instantly was that our monthly payment on that machine, our lease payment, was less than we were paying for outsourcing all of our parts by thousands.
Wow.
That machine never cost us a dime. So obviously a lot of benefits to this type of financing. But tell me about the tax implications.
Tax implications are huge. For instance, if you went to a bank and you did this financing, you tried to get a bank loan, you'd be able to write off the interest of that loan. But when you do a financing deal, you're able to write off the entire amount of the loan during the entire length of the loan. So
obviously the advantages of this type of program are amazing,
Yeah.
especially with 6 months. But now tell me about the tax implications.
Okay. So tax implications on a financing purchase are phenomenal. For instance, in a financing deal, you're able to write off your entire payment. But let's say that you had a really profitable year and you want to take advantage of Section 179. And let's assume that you have about a 30% tax bracket, which is pretty low for most businesses. You can write off your entire machine purchase against that 30% that you'd have to give the government.
Effectively, then you're reducing the price of the machine by that amount.
Exactly. Yeah.
Because it comes right off the top.
Exactly.
Oh,
So say you have a $60,000 machine and you're at a 30% tax bracket, you took almost $20,000 out of the price of that machine just in tax savings.
Okay, that's pretty powerful, pretty amazing. So a couple of things. 6 months is the big one, right?
6 months is.
That's amazing.
Yep.
Also the fact that you've been doing this for so long and working with these companies, I understand that you've negotiated with them a lower interest rate. Is that right?
That's correct. Yeah, we've got it below prime. So whatever prime is, we've got it 1/4% below prime.
Okay, that's pretty amazing. So all the benefits, 6 months without any payments with your interest rate below prime.
Yep.
There's got to be a catch. How does this, I mean.
There is a small catch.
Okay, what is it?
The small catch is the deal has to be done by the end of January. So it's a really short window to be able to give you this incredible opportunity.
So you need to take advantage now, immediately, get your order in, get it set up, so that we can lock this in, and then you'll have all of these benefits plus the 6 months and no payments.
Exactly.
Amazing.
Yeah. Well, hey, thank you for bringing me in here and talking about this with me. It's been phenomenal.
That's exciting. I learned a lot myself. Thanks.
What a great time to take advantage of all these amazing opportunities. Remember, it's a limited time only until the end of January. If you'd like to take advantage of these opportunities right away, give me a quick phone call. It's 801-491-0010 to learn a little bit more about financing and this incredible opportunity. If you want to see what the machine can do for you, take a look at these videos over here. Don't forget to like. Definitely leave those comments. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.